students. In last class we have discussed about threshold frequency and threshold wavelength. Today we will discuss about Hall-Watch observation. It is very important 3-mark question in the annual examination. They may ask that write the Hall-Watch observation. Before going to Hall-Watch observation, we must know some basic things. You take this is negative zinc atom. If I remove electrons from the negative zinc atom, then it becomes neutral zinc atom. Negative become neutral. If I again remove the electrons from the neutral zinc atom, then it becomes positive zinc atom. If I again remove the electrons from the positive zinc atom, then it becomes more positive zinc atom. This is the basic thing we must. The Hall-Watch observation, the scientist Hall-Watch made the observation by using simple instrument called gold leaf electroscope. This gold leaf electroscope construction and the working can be studied in the first chapter, electric fields and charges. Here in this gold leaf electroscope there are two gold leaves are present. These two gold leaves are separated by angle theta. Initially they are separated by angle some theta. These gold leaves they can change the angle. They may be diverge sometime, they may be converge sometime. It's depending upon how much charge is present on the body. If charge on the body is increasing, it may be positive charge or it may be negative charge. If the charge of the body is increasing, then the gold leaves are diverging. Diverging indicates that charge is increasing. If these gold leaves are converging, means they are coming closer to each other, then charge on the body is decreasing. This is the two basic things we must know. Divergence indicates charge on the body is increasing. Convergence indicates charge on the body is decreasing. Now, the Hall-Watch, the scientist, first he took negative zinc plate. He took negative zinc plate. For this negative zinc plate, he applied some UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation, which is above the threshold frequency. Then what will happen? After some time, when the radiation is incidenting on the negative zinc plate, here the gold leaves are converging. Initially they are at angle theta. Now this theta value is decreasing. They are converging. Now, if the gold leaves are decreasing or gold leaves are converging, what is the meaning of that? The charge on the body is decreasing. Therefore, this negative zinc become neutral zinc by emitting the electron from the negative zinc plate. Therefore, what is the first observation made by the Hall-Watch? The gold leaves are converging. It indicates that the negative zinc plate become neutral zinc plate by emitting the electrons when the UV radiation is falling on the negative zinc plate. This is the first observation made by the scientist Hall-Watch. In second case, now zinc plate become neutral by emitting the electrons. Then what will he do? He again incident the ultraviolet radiation above the threshold frequency. Then what will happen? After some time, the gold leaves are diverging. In second case, the gold leaves are diverging. The gold leaves are diverging means what? The charge on the body is increasing. Initially it is neutral. If the UV radiation is falling on the neutral zinc plate, the electrons are coming out of the metal surface. Therefore, the neutral zinc plate become positive zinc plate. The positive charge is increasing on the zinc plate, therefore the gold leaves are diverging. This is the second observation. What is the second observation? Gold leaves diverges. The gold leaves are diverging, indicates that the neutral zinc plate become positive zinc plate. The positive charge is increasing, therefore the gold leaves are diverging. This is the second observation. Neutral become positive now. How the neutral become positive? By emitting the electrons. In first case, the negative become neutral by emitting the electron. In two cases, the electrons are emitting from the zinc. Now the third case. Now the zinc plate become already positive. Now what will you do? He again incident the UV radiation above the threshold frequency. Then what will happen? If you observe the gold leaves, they are diverging further. Initially the divergence is less, now the divergence is more. It indicates that positive charge on the body is increasing more. If the charge on the body is increasing, then it is diverging further. Now the positive charge become more positive charge. When positive become more positive, again by emitting the electrons. Therefore, what is the third observation? The gold leaves are further diverges. Indicates that the positive zinc plate become more positive zinc plate. This is the third observation. In first observation, the electron is emitted. In the second observation, the electrons are emitted. In the third observation, the electrons are emitted. In all three cases, when UV radiation is falling on the zinc plate, the electrons are coming out of the metal surface. Not the positive charges are coming out of the metal surface, it is negatively charged electrons are coming from the metal surface. This is the Hall-Watch observation. Now, what is the final conclusion of the Hall-Watch observation? Whenever the UV radiation or some radiation above the threshold frequency is incidenting on the metal surface, the negatively charged electrons are coming out of the metal surface. Therefore, the photoelectric effect means electrons are coming out of the metal surface, not positive charges are coming out of the metal surface. This is 3 mark very important question in the annual examination.